From the first time that I met you, I knew there was something special about you. And from that point on, right there, I decided that I was gonna do everything I can to make you mine.
If something should come between us, I promise I will stay. Even when we're treading water and the colors seem to fade, you know the truth of it is I was scared to move forward, but now that I've made my way in, I will not turn around.
From this point on and forever, I continue to keep you as my best friend, as most importantly as my beloved wife, and to honor you and to cherish you and to take care of you. And I'm excited for what the future has in store for both of us, and I love you very much.
Belongs to you.
First time I ever heard somebody talk about you, I knew that I wanted to get to know you. And when I first met you, I knew that you needed to be in my life for some reason. And I think that's probably why I drove to your house at midnight and brought you cookies.
Just to forgive and forget, 'cause I'm still learning and you're still burning in me. So let's begin this journey that has no end, through pleasure and through
ever since then, I don't know, I just felt very comfortable and safe around you, and I knew that I could be myself and I didn't have to pretend to be something that I'm not. And I don't know, I've always loved how you supported me and encouraged me to stretch myself and to do things that I want to do, even though they might be scary. And I promise that I'll always be by your side and also support you in your goals, and to always to laugh with you and to have fun, and but most important to love each other, and I love you very much. And my nose is running.
everything I am, through the bitter and the sweet. Every word I said is a promise I will keep. Everything I am, through the bitter